Hi everyone, to this video I will guide you on how to start an LLC on New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I will provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, you have to type into busy.com as I did before. And right now, what is Busy and why we use Busy? Busy offers a suite of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So the first thing that you have to do is click over Form your free LLC now. Once you do that, you click over Start Over, and then here you choose your entity type, LLC, and then you choose the state, which is New Jersey. Then we have here three packages. The first one it's basic, the second one standard, and we have premium. About the first one, we have basic one, so it's free, but you have to pay it for state fee, and it's $113, and it's for 3 weeks. About this one, the characteristic it's preparing and filling articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, and we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. Then we have the second one, it's standard one. You have to pay $199 plus $113 for state fee, and it's for 3 weeks. About this one, so the total is $329. So this one, the characteristic is we have here business tax number, also operating agreement, and we have lifetime complaints alerts, a limited phone and email support, and we have the last one, it's for 2553. And we have the last package, which is premium package. This one you have to pay $299 plus $130 for state fee. This one it's for 1 day, as you can see, and this one we have all these characteristics. So we have also domain name plus business email, we have business contracts templates, and we have expedited filing. So you can just choose your package, then you click over get started. Once you do that, you have just to write your LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, and then we have designator here. You will choose LLC, of course. About business purpose, you have just to write, for example, selling clothes, for example, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is contact person. Please provide the name of the person responsible for this order, who we may contact if additional information is needed. So you have to write your first name, your last name, and your email address. Then your mobile phone, you have to choose your country, then you write your mobile phone. Then you click over next. Then we have here the next page, which is company address information. So in this one, you have to choose between professional business address and virtual mail service, and use my own address. So the first package is you have to pay $29 per month, and the benefits it's keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notification of any incoming mail, and maintaining a physical presence even if you are not physically there. Permanent digital access to your mail anywhere in the world. About the second one, it's for free. So I'll choose the second one. Once you do that, you have right now to write your street address, so company address information, city, and you select your state, New Jersey, and zip code right now. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you click over views entered, and you will find this page, which is providing members information for Mike LLC. About this one, you have to select number of members. Of course, I will choose one because I work only and I work independently. Then you will find this page which is registered agent information. You have to choose between assign busy as my registered agent fee for 1 year, or I would like to act as my own registered agent. So I will choose the first one, then I will click over next. The next step is tax identification number information. We have here an employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the heirs and used to identify tax payers will apply and obtain your N from the heirs electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So I'll click over yes and I will click over agree and then I will click over here to link my personal information and then I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find Set Up Small Business Banking. About this one, if you are interested in those things, you have just to click over yes, I'm interested or ask me later. So it's not important thing. Then we have tax strategy and free consultation. About this one, what you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper LLC tax option, commonly missed tax deductions, and business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce the chance of an LLC audit, how to reduce self-employment taxes. So we'll click over I'm not interested at this time, and if you are interested, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, and it's for free. Then you click over next and we have business licenses and permits. About this one, you have just to read these things that you have here. So if you want to agree, you have just to click yes and you have to pay $99. If you are agreed to team of license specialists will conduct the research for you, will determine all the license and permits you need to stay compliant and receive the applications along with a guide to the next steps via email. Then you have to link your personal information and you click over next. Once you do that, you have right now to edit your personal information like contact info. If you did a mistake, you have just to modify it. Agent info, company address and contact address, member info, business licenses and permits, tax info. Then you click over next. Then we have here billing information. About these steps, and let's say in the last steps, you have to choose between PayPal or credit card. It depends on what you use and what you work with it. So then you link your personal information here, credit card information, and write your card number, expiry date, CVV, and also billing address here. And then this is the last step. Also, you have right now two additional explanation. You have to read it like what is the cancellation policy of my order? Can I edit my order after it's being placed? What happens after I pay? And how can I track my order? Then we have here the total is $528. So if you agree, click over I agree to the legal statement and cancellation policy, and then you click over complete and pay, and this is the last step. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with the straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has been made the process clearer and more manageable for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and more business tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. And have a fantastic day ahead.